Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come with another video. Today in this video I will show you 8 plus programming workshop. Before getting started, I hope you are safe during these days. It's always better to learn something than to sit at your place doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of just wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving precious response on the previous video. In this video, I will give all the details of the course. If you want any free course which I have not given, then fill the Google form, which link will be given in the description. In the previous video, I have given the details of DSO course in Python, which was free. If you don't watch the video, then I recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and you can also join the Telegram group. So let's get started. Today's platform name is PacketPub. On this platform, you will get 1 year access of foundational workshop with no charge for registered Packet user. For accessing free workshop, you have to create an account. Then you have to choose the workshop and add it into a cart. Complete the checkout process and enroll at no charge, no payment detail required. The first topic is web development. In this you will get the 3 courses. The first workshop is the HTML and CSS workshop. In this you will understand the structure and style of the website. The second workshop is the JavaScript workshop. In this you will learn about the language that power the internet. The third workshop is PHP workshop. In this you will learn all about PHP program for first principle. The second part is programming language. The first workshop is Python. In this you will learn about modern and effective Python. The second workshop is Ruby. In this you will get started with development in Ruby. The third workshop is Java. In this you will understand how to work with Java. The fourth workshop is Go workshop. In this you will get to grip with efficient Go. Fourth workshop is Closure. In this workshop you will discover how to count on Closure. Sixth workshop is C++. In this you will learn write effective modern C++ application. 7th course is SQL workshop. In this you will learn about SQL with real-ended on XPS. And now we will see the detail of the courses. The first workshop is Python. In this you will learn to code in Python and kickstart your career in software development or data science. In this you will learn build key Python skills with engaging development tasks and challenging activities, implement useful algorithm and write program to solve real-world problems, apply Python in realistic data science project and create simple machine learning models. Here you can see on the screen, after completing the workshop you will get the verified certificate, and which can be easily shared on LinkedIn as well as other popular social media channels. Here you can see the plan of learning. You can see the course curriculum. First you will workshop onboarding. First module is Vital Python. In this you will learn math, string, conditional and loop. The second module is Python structure. Third module is executing Python. In this you will learn program, algorithm and function. Fourth module is extending Python, files, error and graph. The fifth module is constructing Python, class and method. The sixth module is the standard library. Seventh module is becoming Pythonic. Eighth module is software development. Ninth module is practical Python advanced topic. 10th module is data analytics with Python and NumPy. 11th module is Python machine learning. The second workshop is Java. In this workshop you will be built by a team of experts to help you unlock your next promotion, reboot your career or kick off your latest side project. In this workshop you will learn following things. Learn by doing real world development supported by detailed step-by-step example, screencast and knowledge checks. Become a verified practitioner, building your credential by completing exercise activities and assessment checks. Manage your learning based on your personal schedule with content structure to be easily let you pause and progress at will. In this workshop you will focus on building up your practical skills so that you can develop high performance applications that can work flawlessly within the JVM across web, mobile and desktop. Here you can see the course curriculum. The first module is getting started. The second module is learning the basic. The third module is object oriented programming. The fourth module is collection list and Java built-in APIs. Fifth module is exception. The sixth module is library package and modules. The sixth module is library package and modules. The seventh module is database and JBDC. Eighth module is socket file and stream. Ninth module is working with HTTP. 10th module is encryption. The 11th module is processes. The 12th module is regular expression. The 13th module is functional programming with lambda expression. The 14th module is recursion. The 15th module is processing data with stream. The 16th module is predicate and other functional interface. The 17th module is reactive programming with Java Flow. 18th module is unit testing. Then you will see the activity solution. The third workshop is C++. Here you can see the course curriculum. The first module is your first C++ application. Second module is control flow. Third module is built-in data types. Fourth module is operator. Fifth module is pointer and reference. Sixth module is dynamic variable. Seventh module is ownership and lifetime of dynamic variable. Eighth module is classes and structure. Ninth module is object oriented principle. 10th module is advanced object oriented principle. 11th module is template. 12th module is containers and iterators. 13th module is exception handling in C, and next you will see the activity solution. The fourth workshop is PHP. Here you can see the course curriculum. First module is introduces PHP. Second module is type and operator. The third module is control statement. The fourth module is function. The fifth module is object oriented programming. The sixth module is using HTTP. The seventh module is data persistence. The eighth module is error handling. The ninth module is composer. The 10th module is web service. The 11th module is PHP unit. Then you will see the activity solution. The fifth workshop is Ruby. You can see the course curriculum. The first module is writing and learning Ruby-like programs. The second module is Ruby data types and operators. The third module is program flow. The fourth module is Ruby methods. The fifth module is object-oriented programming with Ruby. Sixth module is modules and mixin. The seventh module is introduction to Ruby gems. The eighth module is debugging with Ruby. The ninth module is Ruby beyond the basic 1. The 10th module is Ruby beyond the basic 2. The 11th module is introduction to Ruby on Rails 1. The 12th module is introduction to Ruby on Rails 2. You will see activity solution. The sixth workshop is JavaScript. Here you can see the course curriculum. The first module is getting to know JavaScript. The second module is working with JavaScript. The third module is programming fundamentals. The fourth module is JavaScript libraries and framework. The fifth module is beyond the fundamentals. The sixth module is understanding core concept. The seventh module is popping the hood. The eighth module is browser API. The ninth module is working with Node.js. The 10th module is accessing external resources. The 11th module is creating clean and maintainable code. The 12th module is using next generation JavaScript. The 13th module is JavaScript programming paradigms. The 14th module is understanding functional programming. The 15th module is asynchronization tags. There are two bonus chapters. Chapter 1 is stepping into the future. The chapter 2 is testing your code. And you will see the activity solution. The seventh workshop is SQL. You can see the course curriculum. In this, the first module is SQL Basic, the second module is Manipulating Data, the third module is Normalization, the fourth module is the Select Statement, the fifth module is Shaping Data with the Where clause, the sixth module is Joins, the seventh module is Subqueries, Cases and View, the eighth module is SQL Programming, the ninth module is Security, the 10th module is Aggregate Function, the 11th module is Advanced SQL, and then the Activity Solution. The 8th workshop is HTML and CSS workshop. You can see the course curriculum. The first module is Introduction to HTML and CSS. The second module is Structure and Layout. The third module is Text and Typography. The fourth module is Forms. The fifth module is Themes, Colors and Polish. The sixth module is Responsive Web Design and Media Queries. The seventh module is Audio, Video and Canvas. The 8th module is Animation. The 9th module is Accessibility. The 10th module is Preprocessor and Tooling. The 11th module is Maintainable CSS. The 12th module is Web Component. The 13th module is the future of HTML and CSS. And there will be Activity Solution. 9th workshop is Go. Here you can see the course curriculum. The first module is Variable and Operators. The second module is Logics and Loop. The third module is Core Type. The fourth module is Complex Types. The fifth module is Functions. The sixth module is Error. The seventh module is Interface. The eighth module is Package. The ninth module is Basic Debugging. The 10th module is About Time. The 11th module is Encoding and Decoding. The 12th module is Files and System. The 13th module is SQL and Database. 14th module is Using the Go HTTP Client. The 15th module is HTTP Server. The 16th module is Concurrent Work. The 17th module is Using Go Tools. The 18th module is Security. The 19th module is Special Features. There will be Activity Solution. The 10th workshop is Closure. Here you can see the course curriculum. The first module is Hello World. The second module is Data Types and Immutability. The third module is Function in Depth. The fourth module is Mapping and Filtering. The fifth module is Many-to-One Reducing. The sixth module is Recursion and Looping. The seventh module is Recursion to Lazy Sequence. The 8th module is Namespace, Libraries and Lineage. 9th module is Host Platform Interoperability with Java and JavaScript. The 10th module is Testing. The 11th module is Macros. The 12th module is Concurrency. The 13th module is Database Interaction and the Application Layer. The 14th module is HTTP with Ring. The 15th module is the Front End, a Closure Script UI. Then you will see the Activity Solution. All the links will be given in the description. Please encourage me by subscribing to my channel for upcoming video. Also share this video to others because they can also get the benefit with certificate. Thank you.